This video will take care of the pin that will attach to the main body of the airplane, the pin on the wing. So let's go to faces. I was holding the right button of the mouse, and let's select these faces and choose grow along loop again and again and see what's happening. So the selection is growing. We can, if you hit the G key, Maya has this feature that if you hit the G key, it will repeat the last action you did. So if I just did that, I hit the G key and he grew along the selection again. So let's go to Edit Mesh now and duplicate this selection. There it is. Don't forget to press the toggle, the little toggle. Now let's bring it out. And yeah, it's okay, looks good. So we will use this we will attach this to our wing, and this is what will make the connection between the wing and the rest of the body. So now let's reverse normals, because as you could see, I was trying to point that out while I was speaking. The normals were inverted, so they were all black. Let's go to bring our outliner, and let's bring back the wing. So you select the right wing and turn on the visibility. Remember that to turn on the visibility, you must insert 1 on the visibility. Now let's try to it's better to center pivot on this, so modify center pivot. Okay, now bring it close to the wing to see how it's going on. And we don't need this now, so we can simply turn its visibility off, so we don't need the fuselage now. And let's focus on these two objects. So let's focus on the pin now. As you can see, it doesn't fit properly, so we have to make some readjustments in order to connect the pin with the wing. First of all, let's go to vertices and adjust the vertices to the rest of the geometry of the wing. The wing actually was on smooth mode, so I just hit 1 to bring it back to the normal mode. And now we can select the vertices and rearrange them the best we can so that they will match the other vertices from the wing. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sure you realize that already. So I'm trying to match the best way I can the vertices on the pin with the vertices on the wing. Let's go to edge mode and do some arrangements to these edges so they are not really even. So remember what I said before, it's good to have a nice and clean geometry, and that's what I'm trying to do now. Trying to rearrange this. Actually, let's try. So you have to middle mouse to hold the middle mouse button to use this tool, like I'm doing. Yes, I have to go there again. Mesh tools, slide edges, and now, like it's written there, drag with middle mouse button. So that's what I'm doing. And yeah, it looks better now. Okay, so let's go back to the pin and let's go back to so vertex mode. Let's go back to the pin and we'll keep moving the vertices and trying to match them with the vertices of the wing the best way we can. Okay, this one goes here, a bit left on Z, and now that one also I'll drag it on Z and Y, Z again, Y, Z. So yeah, this it's kind of time consuming, but it's there's no other way of doing it. So and this is really important because it's good to, like I said, to have a nice and clean geometry. So if you can match the best way possible all the vertices, that will keep you out of trouble in the future when you're modeling the rest of the airplane. Okay, so I think this is it. Actually, let's bring this one a bit down. And now it looks much better than in the beginning of this video, as you can see. So let's go to object mode. Let's bring these two together. So I had a crash, I'm sorry, I had to restart. So, but like you see, what I'm doing is I'm just bringing the this object closer to the wing. So the pin is now closer to the wing, and now I'm gonna combine them again. So combine, and now yes, I'm gonna use the target weld tool. Okay. Oops, something went wrong here, so let's undo that. So Control Z. Okay. Yeah, that was a vertex that was selected, so be careful with that. If you have a vertex selected and you're using the target weld tool, it will connect not only the two vertices that you are trying to connect, but also the one that was selected. So that's what happened. Let's proceed. And as always, it's always good, like I said before, to move your object around so that you can see what's happening. Actually, I shouldn't be doing this like that because I'm deforming the pin. So I should be doing it the other way around. I should be connecting the vertices on the wing to the ones on the pin, so that this stays straight. It's not straight, as you can see. So yeah, I was doing this wrong. I'm undoing everything, so Control Z to all that. And now, yes, let's do it the right way. So I have to connect the vertices on the wing to the vertices on the pin. So this is the correct way to do it. Otherwise, the pin, the edges of the pin would be deformed, and so when you would try to stick it inside the fuselage, it wouldn't stick properly. So yeah, so you have to connect the vertices on the wing to the vertices on the pin. And 2 more to go. Okay, so that's it. Now, yes, it's a well done job. So let's go to object mode. And yes, so there's a few edges I have to take care of, like this one here. Yeah, as you can see, it's too round, so I have to bevel it so that it's sharp and not round like it was. So I'm going to select edge, double click on the edge so that it selects the whole edge loop. So this is not new as well, you did this before. And now using the multicut tool, I could use bevel like I did before, but I think that for this particular situation, multicut tool will do just fine. Okay, so I was holding control, and now let's do the same on the inside part. So okay, now let's just these vertices can go closer to the border, closer to the edge. I mean, okay. Same with this one. Same with this one. Nice. Okay. Now this one right on Z. That one right on Z as well. This one right on Z as well, and up on Y. Okay. And yes, now it looks good. Okay, let's see, object mode again. Yeah, as you can see, it's much different now. So this was what I was looking for. And well, we have the wing with a pin. So it's a good time to save. Save scene as. Make sure you're saving on scenes folder. Let's call this, let's call it airplane wing pin. And make sure it's on your scenes folder. Save as, continue, and that's it for now.